How to remove old device from Google account. So if you want to remove or delete the old device from your Google account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google, go with the profile which is on the top right, tap on manage your Google account. Now you need to swipe and you need to go with the security section. Under security, scroll all the way down and you may have logged accounts, but if you don't find it under your security, then you can just simply swipe up and here you will have the option of the devices where you're logged in. So tap on manage all devices and here select the device that you would like to log out. Tap on the Android sessions, or you can also go with Windows computer sessions, and here you will have the information. So select the device in which you would like to log out. Now tap on log out or sign out, which is here on the left side, and that particular device will be removed. That's how you can remove your old device from your Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.